This video is going to be about similarity. Before we talk about similarity, let's remember what congruence is. So congruence is when two shapes have the exact same size and shape, right? So these two triangles, we could put one right on top of the other, they would match up. If you want to take your hands and put them on top of each other, your hands are congruent, right? Same size and shape. Similar, however, okay, similar shapes have the same shape but different sizes, or can have different sizes. Okay, so if I say I have this triangle, and then I have this triangle, right? If they have the same shape but different sizes, now we have to be really careful about what we mean by same shape. Okay, this can be troublesome. Okay, so what we mean by same shape is that all their sides are proportional and their angles are congruent, right? So if I said, hey, this was 3 feet, 3 feet, 1 feet, and this would say 3 feet, 9 feet, 9 feet, right? So the sides are proportional, right? The scale factor, what you do to get from one to the other, is multiplied by 3, all 3 sides. Then that's not quite enough, okay? We also, to know, is we have to have congruence. Well, in this case, it's isosceles, so angles are congruent. Okay, these two triangles are similar. Okay, let's do another example with a different shape. So let's say I have a trapezoid, right? And we'll make it isosceles for 4, 10, 20. Let's say that. And then let's say I have another trapezoid. It's smaller, right? If these angles are all equal, we want isosceles in this case, right? And these are 2, 2, 5, and 10. These shapes are now similar. The scale factor here is 1/2. Or if we're going to go the other way, the scale factor is 2. Okay? Some notation: A, B, C, D, F, G, H. So the notation here is we would say A, B, C, D is similar, right, to E, F, G, H. Okay, so this symbol means is similar to. Okay, so again, for two shapes to be similar, they need to have the same shape, which means sides are proportional. Okay, so the sides are proportional. And really what we need is the corresponding side. So if I'm going to rewrite this, corresponding in the same way in congruent triangles, right? Corresponding sides are proportional. Okay. Now, well, let's write that. And corresponding and angles are congruent. Okay. One thing on the next screen that I want to show you about. Okay. So if I have some triangle ABC, and I say this is 8, and this is 10, and this is, say, 15, right? And then I have another bigger triangle. This is clearly not drawn to scale, but let's just pretend, right? If I want to say, hey, are sides proportional? Are sides proportional? I can't just talk about this side to this side. Because in order for things to be proportional, we need to compare two sets. So I might say, oh, the relationship of 10 over 20, that proportion is the same as the 8 to 16, which is the same as the 15 to 30, right? This is a mathematical statement expression that says that the 3 sides are proportional. Okay? What's really common is people might say, oh, the sides were proportional, and just write 10 over 20. Not enough. Not enough. Okay? So these two triangles are similar, right? The scale factor going this way is 2. The scale factor going this way is 1/2. Okay? So similar shapes. You got similar shapes. You know the symbol. You know what it means to be proportional.